Good morning, Rutgers. I'm WeatherWatcher Kennedy Scott here bringing you your Saturday morning forecast for April 5th. Right now in New Brunswick, we do have these cloudy skies with a temperature of 52 degrees. Feels like 49 out there because we've got winds from the east at 10 miles an hour and humidity at 59%. Looking at our headlines for today, unfortunately, we have showers pretty much all day, and they're going to continue on to tomorrow as well. So we've got a whole weekend of showers, but we do see a sunny week ahead next week. Today on the hour, we hit our high of 52 degrees, showers likely from the winds from the east at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And as we go through the rest of the day, we see pretty much the same story where we've hit our high actually, and now we're going to just see a little bit of a downturn of these temperatures. So we're going to be pretty much in the high 40s, low 50s for the whole day. And we've got some pretty gusty winds out from the east for pretty much the whole day. Looking at our current radar and satellite, no showers here, good cloud cover over the whole state of New Jersey, but we do see that there's pretty heavy showers up in the Pennsylvania region. And looking at that futurecast, when are we going to see that rain? We do start to see some rain around Saturday afternoon today, and then we do start to see just some very variable showers. It's not going to be consistent showers, but it's going to be on and off showers for pretty much the whole entire day. And on Sunday, we do see that it's going to be a pretty more consistent showers. We've got this nice line of showers coming in for the whole state. And we see it pretty much continues on for the whole day. And even some parts of the Pocono Mountains are going to be seeing a chance of snow. Looking at that SPC outlook, just to see what's going on with the rest of the country, we do see that there's an enhanced risk in the Louisiana region, and we see a slight risk stretching out for most of the United States. But here back at home, we only have pretty much just a chance of a thunderstorm, if anything. So we can't rule out the chance of a thunderstorm here, but it's not looking likely. And looking at that day 2 outlook, we see a less of a chance of something severe happening. We see a slight chance of something happening in Georgia and Mississippi, but we can't really rule out a severe thunderstorm down in this area. Tonight, back at home, you can expect a chance of showers. 46 degrees is the temperature. Winds changing from the northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour, and sunrise at 6:33 a.m. And of course, looking at that 7-day, the first part of our 7-day looks a little bit depressing. Showers likely for all of the days. 52 degrees on Saturday, 59 on Sunday, and 50 on Monday. We see it actually starts to get colder on the latter half of that week. We've got 40s and 50s as well, and then we start to warm up a little bit more on Thursday. That's because we're in a little bit of a blocking pattern, which is why we see rain for 3 whole days straight, because there's nothing really getting a move on in our atmosphere right now. But we will get out of that pattern soon, and then we start to see these temperatures dip from some cold Canadian air on the way. Mostly sunny skies on Tuesday, sunny on Wednesday, 51 degrees is that temperature. And then we start to see it warm up again. Mostly sunny skies, 59 degrees on Thursday. And then we close out that week, mostly cloudy skies with 59. And as always, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. I'm WeatherWatcher Kennedy Scott. Have a great rest of your day, Rutgers.